Happy Monday, everyone. April 6th. Hope everyone had a great weekend and you're recharged and ready to go for the week. One awesome thing about this week, we have it all laid out and ready to go. We only have 4 days of school with a Friday off. So, starting it off with a 4 day week and a lot of good things planned. First things first, make sure you guys check out your Monday Fun Day. We have it right here in our Imagine 5. I put up some embarrassing videos from the, the TikTok teacher. So my wife was on and she somehow got me to go on to some of these videos with her. Go ahead and check those ones out. And be sure to follow her if you want to see us the rest of the week and the next couple months, however long this lasts. We'll get some cool videos in for you. On a side note, also in for the week, we have our dress up days. Pajama day is tomorrow. If you'd like to take a picture of yourself on any of the days this week, you can send it here in Seesaw. Just take a picture of yourself and then we can just upload it right up in our class activities. See, Tuesday is movie character day, Wednesday is wacky Wednesday, Thursday is the last day of the week. We have Laker Pride Day there. Also in here, another video that we got from Mr. Green. So a lot of fun things happening over the week. You guys can check out the good workspaces and bad workspaces from the teachers. Kind of funny. And just so you're aware, if you ever have questions, we check this out first. So we know that there are only 36 people that have watched our videos for our announcements on Friday. A lot of people that have questions or about anything that's happening in class, they seem to be the ones that aren't watching their videos or are still confused on some things. So make sure you always check in on these videos. We seem to have about 20 kids every time not checking in on our announcements and on our other videos as well. So be sure that that's not you. All right, next, you got an email from us. We checked over some things in your survey. We tried to lay it out a little bit nicer and neater. So when you guys check in and you look over your email, you'll see a new week at a glance. If you click into that one, it'll come to here. We have our 4 days laid out. The big difference here for this one is you'll have literacy every day with your journal comprehension questions that we'll go through in just a bit. And then you will have an every other day with math, writing, and social science. So Monday, tomorrow, you do not have a Liberties Kids. You just have your comprehension questions, or you're maybe doing a Google Meet. And then you'll have math and writing as you're going to finish up your DARE. Then on Tuesday, April 7th, you only have your comprehension questions and your reading as well as your Liberty Kids. So it should cut down a little bit of the time. We noticed in our survey that a lot of kids are taking roughly about 4 hours, and we would like to cut that down just a little bit so that you could get your specials and other things in for the day. So you'll see your assignments built right into the week at a glance. You have your assignments in here as well, 2 places that you can check it out. Big things from last week. We missed some of you guys at the small group meetings. Those are mandatory, so we'd love for you guys to be there. You have to be there. If you are not there, that is okay. You just have to check in with us, and then we would like to set up a different time that we can arrange a different meeting or a phone call or something to check in. The small group ones will be getting their first math lesson this week, so you'll be needing to be there for this week. And then also for the small lit circle groups, those ones are mandatory as well. My side of the mountain will be meeting on Monday as well here today too. All right, so you should see all of that in your email. If you end up clicking into those, you can see those times. So this was the small group hangouts that we have for math starting tomorrow. And if you click down below in the lit circles, you'll see the times and everything built in for my side of the mountain today here. Miss Mickelson will be with groups 1 and 2. I'll be with group 3. The last thing I'd like to share with you in your lit circles, well, a lot of kids are struggling with how to submit and share certain things. If you are right in your Schoology page that you've bookmarked, click into that, you find your lit circles, and then you find your group. Let's say I'm refugee for today. When I click into that, we had a new place of comprehension questions that was just for that one day on Thursday with Schoology not working. As of Friday and most of the evening and Thursday, we have our Schoology back up and running, so we're hoping it's going to be good again today. If you click into the refugee comprehension, it'll take you to this site. On here, it looks a little bit different as a teacher version, but you'll be able to submit your questions. So in here, when you click into them, you'll see your assignments. You don't have to refill in chapter 1 if you did that on your notebook and took a picture of it. That's okay. But you'll be able to click in here and fill it in. I don't have access to this right now, so I won't be able to show you it perfectly. But I would like you guys to submit it each week, or excuse me, each day of the week. So when you click, there's a little gray submit button. Like I said, the teacher view is a little bit different from what you guys will see. You'll need to submit that. So find the submit button, and you'll know if you submitted it if you put it in here, and you'll see your name that will fill in. All right. So that is one big thing that we like to do. Also, if you guys were ones that did not get some work done from last week, it is very important that you get those things in and turned into us as soon as possible. All right. Have a great week. Hope everything goes well. Be sure to reach out to us with questions.